This is a handle demonstration by Bill Forst. You start by rolling out a large coil and then separating that coil out into smaller segments. These are what the handles will be made out of. You use a bit of water and then an aperture-like movement to taper that piece of clay. Well, that was the fast version that you've just seen, so here it is slowed down. We'll make this handle in under 2 minutes. Again, you taper that smaller piece of clay and then wet your hands and then use an aperture motion with your fingers to stretch the clay into a tapered cylinder. Once you have the tapered cylinder, then you'll want to place a thumb into the back of the cylinder and pull straight down. Turn it around, do the same thing on the other side, and this establishes the shape of the handle. Once you have the shape of the handle, you let gravity take over and you allow the curve to set up. And you can encourage that curve by just using your fingers to move it into the shape that you want to have it in. We place it over to the side with the rest of them and we allow it to dry up just a little bit. It moves from wet clay to just before leather hard, and it will be attached to the cylinders that you saw being thrown earlier. The next step is to add the handles to the trimmed cylinders. This has been Bill Forst demonstrating handle making. Thanks for watching.